Hello everyone, it's Julie from Camelia Crafts Designs. Welcome and welcome back. I'm here today to draw the winner for this journal and for the glue dangles that are the runner-up prizes. Right, let's hope this goes off without a hitch, because you know what I'm like with technology. Yeah, I'm not the best. I've got my old phone here. I'm going to use one of these random comment pickers. Yeah. Now you've had a look at journal. I'm going to zoom in on the phone so that you can see. I have put the URL for the giveaway video in ready. I'll just zoom in for us. So everyone that left a comment will be entered. Even if I've not put a little heart on your comment yet. I did try to catch up today, but I think there's still a few that I haven't caught up with. I'm just trying to arrange that so we are not getting any. Oh, that's a bit close now, isn't it? Oh, be right, she says. I'm sure we can see. Right, so that's the URL. I just stabbed myself again with a pin. I'm just not real, am I? Anyway, that's the URL for the video. So I've set it to filter out any duplicate comments. So it's one comment per person. We've got to do a little sum before it will let us pick our winners. Don't know why that is. So let's see how many comments we got. Looks like we had quite a few. Yeah, we had 538 comments. So thank you very much to everyone who watched and commented. Right, the first winner that I pick is going to be for the journal. So here we go for the journal. Good luck, everyone. Kim Jones. And oh, lovely comment from Kim. So glad I found your channel. I've only just got into journaling, and as I've said before, you make me laugh so much. I'm working my way through all your videos from the beginning, and I often rewatch certain ones as my memory is shocking. Yeah, I know how that feels, and I forget how to do things. Think I've gone into waffle mode. You sound just like me there, Kim. So congratulations, Kim. This journal will be on its way to you. Woo, just quick look. I'm not zooming out again. I might never get zoomed in again. Yeah, I'm a bit of a techno. No, I won't swear. Anyway, so that's Kim. Now, we've got 5 runner-up prizes of the glue dangles. I will also include a little bit of ephemera that I've made with them. Yeah, and I will protect the pins so you don't stab yourself. So let's go for pink one first. So let's pick another comment. Oh, I've got to do another sum. That's terrible, that. That's terrible that I've got to do another sum. Answer's 10 again. Ooh, so 10 is the answer. Yeah, go away. I'm not telling you to go away. I'm telling keyboard to go away. So how do I pick another winner? Have I got to put URL in again? Oh, don't tell me I've got to do it all again. Get YouTube comments again. If it picks Kim, yeah, I'm going to exclude you, Kim. Sorry, but I am. You've won a journal, you don't want a glue dangle. So here we go. Pink glue dangle is, I hope you can see this, I really do. Roden 70. Beautiful journal and lovely glue pins. So thank you very much, Roden, and you will be getting the pink one. So I think we've got to do another sum. Yeah, we really have, haven't we? We've got to do another sum. This one is 11. I'm going to say it's a long time since I did my maths exam, but it isn't actually. I went back and did it again about 5-6 years ago now. Anyway, get the comments. Stop waffling. You're supposed to be drawing winners to a competition. This is for the purple one. The first purple one. Yeah, that's the purple one with the little flower. So we've got the comments and let's pick the winner. It's Laurie. I'm sorry if I get your name wrong, Laurie. Laurie Spradlin. So well done, Laurie. And Laurie says, I love your style. I watch your videos all the time and I've shared a few lately. Thank you so much, Laurie. Yeah, I do appreciate all the support from everyone. Oh, look, there's a pick another winner button there. I didn't see that. It took me about, it took me 3 goes to see that, hadn't it? So let's just pick another winner this time. I suppose it left you in suspense a bit longer. I will make this one the second purple one. Yeah, so pick another winner. Where's it picking? Come back. Wow, it did that quick, didn't it? It's not all for Diane Many. So, hi Julie, I love your journal and dangles. I have watched your channel for quite a while now and you always put a smile on my face. Thank you. Thank you, Diane, and I'm glad I can. Yeah, I like to be nice and cheerful on my channel. My craft room's my happy place, so I only come in it. I can only be happy in it. That's my rule. If I'm feeling miserable, I have to go and do something else. So that was the purple one, Diane. Pick another winner. Can't believe I didn't see that before. So we'll go for the green one now. Oh, it's going through them. Oh, yeah, I have to be quick. Rhonda Tanner. So thank you, Rhonda, for entering. I've missed a video of you. I haven't missed a video of yours since I found your channel. And I am definitely a subscriber. You're extremely talented and I enjoy all your waffling, woman. Thanks for all you do. Thank you so much, Rhonda. Yeah, so this one will be off to you along with something random. And one more, we've got this one is, I used a lot of silver spacer beads on this, and we've got some pale grey and silver and pearl beads. So pick another winner. Let's slide it up quick so we can see. Who's this going to be? Karen Zagden. Hello, Karen. Super journal and dangles. Super... I'm terrible. Super journal and dangles, Julie. And as giveaways, how lovely. With your talent, easy to listen, fun and giggles mixed in. Love it. I, for one, would love the printer bags if you get some for your shop. Yeah. Great channel and Etsy shop. Keep up the fab work. Thank you so much, Karen. Yeah, I recognise your name from a recent order. So, yeah, you're going to be getting some more bits and bobs coming your way. There'll be a dangle and whatever else I throw in with it just to keep it protected in post. My saying is I don't like paying to post fresh air. So if I'm paying to post something that weighs 100 grams, I'm putting 100 grams worth of stuff in that, yeah? And that's nowhere near 100 grams. So congratulations to everyone. And yeah, you'll see me again in about an hour because I have done another video. It should have gone up yesterday, but I just ran out of hours in day. You know how it is. And it's going to be up in around an hour. So thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in an hour. Cheers, bye.